Young adults want to ride more and drive less. And with defined borders and high-density environments, university campuses are ideal settings for cycling. NITK has built upon these good conditions and embraced the enthusiasm for a more bicycle-friendly campus to promote cycling as a preferred means of transportation. But NITK Surathkal, which lies on the Arabian Sea coast, is hot and humid for most part of the year, which at times makes the cyclists apprehensive to cycle. Being in a sweaty attire for a class or a lecture is definitely uncomfortable. Hence, to build on this momentum and inspire more action to build a healthy, sustainable, green and livable institution, NITK Surathkal has designed and developed the e-Cycle Vidyut 3.0 for campus usage. The e-Cycle is powered by a brushless DC motor initially in the pilot stage. It will run on lithium-ion battery. Typical motor power and battery is 250 watt and 36 volt. The e-Cycle also has a pedal assist feature. Additionally, with the IRIS being an integrated resource and information sharing system developed in-house, system integration of this e-Cycle features a GPS module which will enable the user to track the location of the e-Cycle within the campus. Also, the students will be able to unlock and use the e-Cycle by scanning the QR code on the e-Cycle. This QR code will be used to clock the number of hours of usage and the user. Brushless DC motor is planned to be replaced by switched reluctance hub motor. SRM, being both magnetless and brushless in nature, is a viable candidate which can provide equivalent torque densities both on volume and weight basis. Vidyut 3.0 is designed and developed in-house utilizing the world-class manufacturing facilities like 3D printing, laser cutting, 3D modeling, etc. The team wanted to design an e-Cycle catering for both men and women, while also maintaining a sleek and modern look. 3D modeling was done using institute-licensed design software tools. The main frame, manufactured using a laser cutting facility, was tested to meet the design requirements. This e-Cycle, Vidyut 3.0, was able to see the light of the day solely due to the generous contribution of 1981 batch alumni. Alumni have always been spearheaders of the institution's pride. As a result of their funding, one e-Cycle is developed as a pilot study.
The alumni belonging to the batch of 81 had created camp funding to fund a lot of projects that could be taken up at the institute, and e-Cycle was one of those initiatives. We had not funded this project initially, we had funded other projects, but then there was a lot of unspent money left with the fund that we had provided the institute, and this was repurposed for e-Cycle, and people who are involved with e-Cycle, they have come up with a prototype which is actually working very well, and they would like to improve upon product further and make it available to many students so that their comfort in traversing between the hostel and the institute becomes easier and better.
A daunting task will seem effortless when abundant support from alumni, who are the backbone of the institute, is received by the dedicated team of project staffs, students and professors at Center for System Design, NITK Surathkal, behind this e-Cycle.
NITK Surathkal is proud of its alumni spread across the globe who are leaders in industry, central research organizations and various public sector organizations. They have all the time supported their alma mater in its upbringing the younger generation. In that context, e-mobility is one of the prime projects in which alumni are generous in funding and supporting this project in totality. We are proud of them once again.
The team from NITK wishes to see many more successful ventures to make NITK an e-mobility friendly campus from alumni support.